Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. Today we have a brand new video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We are located in the DFW area. I went to several stores this week, took lots of pictures, combined them all into one video, and organized them by section. So let's go shopping and see what is new. For apparel, accessories, and linens, we have some of the novelty socks. These are the cruise style socks. They've got tons and tons of them restocked this week. I was really surprised how many they put out because they were pretty much gone for the most part. Then we've got these ladies' tank tops and t-shirts. They go from small all the way to a 4X. We have quite a few different colors. We have this really dark magenta pink, a really pretty rose colored pink, and then a lighter rose color. Then we have the traditional like blues and grays and black, and some that are modeled with the different grays, blacks, and whites kind of sewn throughout. So there's lots of different options there. Then we've got the luxury home pillowcase pairs. They're 20 by 30 inches for a standard size pillow. They had a whole bunch of neutral tones like gray, tan, white, and like a light brown. They also had a very light blue and pink. Then for the arts and crafts, we have a bunch of these packs of the DIY bracelet beads. You get 200 pieces in each pack, and you can see they're all separated by color. They have several different shades of blue, a couple different shades of pink and yellow, also green and purple. And then they had a few of the beads that had these different rainbow colored letters, and some that had like emojis on them, or the little spacer beads that were the silver little round ones there. And there's the emoji beads. And we've also got the stretch cord. It's 32.8 feet. We have these Crafter Square iron-on Chanel patches. This one says love. They have besties. And then this one here says sassy. They also have the white one with the gold trim, and that one says salty. And there are directions of how to apply these. Then they had these new canvas that are called the Masters. They're an 8 by 10, and they are pre-printed canvas with some very popular prints like the Mona Lisa. Here's the box. It just says pre-printed canvas. You got this one here. And then they also had like the Starry Night. And then this gorgeous one here with the bridge and the flowers and the trees in the background. Then the large wave in the ocean with the boats. Then for the baby, toddler, and children's section, we have these little baby shark toys for the bath. It's like a water squirter. They have them in a couple different colors. You get one in each pack. They had them in blue, orange, yellow, and a bright pink. Also, in the baby, toddler, and children's section, there's these little miniature tumblers with the silicone straw, which is really nice. It holds, I believe, 11 ounces. They had some snack containers in the same color scheme that coordinates with the cups. Also, I found the little soft, these are like a wristlet rattle. So it has Velcro on it, goes around the wrist, and then it has like a teether and then the rattle. For the health and beauty, we'll check out what's new as far as like cosmetics go. Then we'll look at hair care, hair accessories, and also the pharmacy and personal care items. So we've got the Citrus Vanilla Lip Glaze by Beauty Intuition. It says it's a high shine glow, moisturizes and nourishes lips. They also had this one. It's called Peachy Dreams. And here's the container for that one. And the last one was called Cherry Kiss. And here's what that one looks like. So I think that the lid indicates the color. We've also got the Sippin' Pretty Watermelon Lip Balm. They look like tumbler cups. They're so cute. They have the straw and everything at the top. I thought that was really cute. It's called a softening lip balm. They had watermelon and lime. Then there are these Prolux Cosmetic Setting Powder. They have them in matte and a bunch of different colors. They also have the matte foundation in several different colors as well. Lots of new VO5 hair products. There's the glossy hair serum. They also have some texturizing wave spray and some detangling spray. There's the scalp and hair oil, the heat protectant, and the blowout defense. Then I found the Stenson Deep Moisturizing Face and Beard Cream. Also, the Sassy Chic Compact Mirrors. They are double sided. One side is like the two times, like zoomed in, mirror, and then they have their traditional mirror on the other side. Those come in four different colors. And then there were these two soothing sticks. There's a soothing and cooling and a rose glow cooling face stick. We have some turmeric face milk, which brightens and nourishes. The Dermasil oat milk restorative face serum. It's in a 1 fluid ounce bottle. It's fermented oatmeal and snow mushroom. They also had these Glow Queen spray bottles. They have a bunch of different ingredients in it for a dewy head to toe look. And it says it is it's like a glowing skin from head to toe. Also, these bath fizzies, they had these out last year as we get closer to Mother's Day. They have the rose, the orange blossom, and the lilac. We also have the bath philosophy shower steamers. There were some roses and strawberries. There's the champagne rose steamer. I thought these were so cute. And here are the strawberries. This one is strawberry scented. They look like strawberries. Then for the fun finds, we had this hand lotion, which is so cute. It's a nightmare before Christmas. And you can see the topper for the lotion is so cute. So this one here is the lavender vanilla scented hand cream. They also have the cherry blossom scent. And then this one here is the rose scent. There's the lavender vanilla and then the strawberry rose. These are the little miniature fans that are on a lanyard, so you can carry them around in the hot summer, and these fun little pens with the dancing man. Then for the home decor, we have these matte finish vases. They come in four different colors. They also have these little glass jars with the glass toppers. And then we've got a whole box of these large stemmed feathers. And they were over by the floral section, but they are sitting in the center of the aisle in a large green box that does like floral and garden. They had some spiral like twigs with flowers on the bottom, the large feathers, and they also had some of the stems that have the glitter for like different vase fillers. So lots of different ones. And like I said, they're up in a box in the same aisle as the traditional like flowers and things. For the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, they had these magnets by Jot. You get 6 of them. They have them in 2 different color schemes. There's the hook magnets. Those come in a 2-pack. Or you can get the large magnetic clips in white or black, also in a 2-pack. They have the 8-pack of the different color button magnets and these magnetic dry erase boards by Jot Corner Office. They have a section for each day of the week, a magnet and a marker that it comes with. We've got the large stencils by the Jot brand and the Housewares maintenance and automotive. This week we've got these fruit fly traps that they've just restocked, and they have these car cleaners. This is for like the dashboard, easy to reach for like the mirror and cleaning in the front window. They also had the Orthofire ant killer bags out, and I also found some of these shiny steel non-scratch sponges, which are perfect for polishing your stainless steel appliances. These are a scouring sponge, which is non-scratch, and it's made out of all natural, eco-friendly material. Now for the kitchen and pantry. I was excited to see when I walked into the Dollar Tree that they had the lemon dish sets out that says every day is a fresh start. They have the green border. They have 2 different versions of the hot pad holders. Here are the large, tall water glasses. And then the coffee mugs. They look a little different than the ones I remember from last year. This is one of the placemats that's cloth, it's green on the back. The large dinner plate. They also have the small salad plates. These are like a storage container with a lid. They also had these really great mason jars with a lemon lid and the lemons imprinted on the front. It's like raised up off of the glass. Also, they had some tongs with lemons and limes at the bottom. So cute. Also, they have some of their blue dish sets out. So these are the white and blue pattern. This one says enjoy every moment. They have this placemat as well that just has the flowers on it and no sayings. There are the dish towels. They have the hot pad holders, and there are also oven mitts. They have these tall water glasses, which are always super popular. These are the bowls. They have some coffee mugs, also the dinner plates and the salad plates. And then they had these gorgeous dark blue charger plates, which I just thought were so pretty. And here's what the whole set looks like together. I thought you guys would enjoy getting to see that. Then for the party supplies, we have just a few items, mostly restocked items. There's the happy birthday yard cards. They have this one that says happy birthday to you. It looks like gifts. And then the birthday balloons that say happy birthday. It has the yardstick as well, and they are waterproof. Then there's the little miniature glitter hats in pink and in silver, and lots of gift bags. They just restocked. They're putting out a lot of floral ones since it'll be after Easter and getting closer to Mother's Day. Then for the pet care, I found these adorable little squeaky chew toys. It's a biscuit and drumstick vinyl toy that looks like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kind of made me laugh. You actually, if you had a little one that likes to play kitchen, this would be great. They could use it as pretend food. They also have the it's like a chicken wrap or something like that. It's wrapped in a tortilla. Then we've got the Greenbrier Kennel Club mats to catch kitty litter. These are great for helping keep your floor clean, and it traps the kitty litter so it doesn't end up all over the house. Now for the seasonal items, we have a bunch of these last minute Easter signs. They have the Easter bunnies with the galvanized metal ear inserts. They had the fake wood grain. This one says Easter blessings. And then they have a brown one with more of like a profile style look with the metal on the ears. We have some little girl and boy bunnies that say Happy Easter, and Easter is on its way with the 3-pack of carrots. It has glitter at the top and the beaded hanger. Then I found this one that says Happy Easter. It has the little dangling bunny feet at the bottom, and one has a blue egg and the other one is holding a pink Easter egg. These are great for storing your colored eggs, and they have lots of new flavored peeps this year, like the strawberry frosted Pop Tarts. They brought back the Dr. Pepper flavor. They also have one that's called Rice Krispie Treats. And then the last one I found the last two I found were the party cake and the cotton candy flavor. Then they're starting to put out their graduation items. They have the 4x6 photo frame that say things like hats off to the grad. They also have one that has the tassel. It says the best is yet to come, and the happy graduation with the hat over the side. And those all have the mat that holds the 4x6 photo. For toys and games, we have the 5-pack of the makeup blocks little characters. They have the construction characters. There's also the medical. They had army. They had the outer space astronauts. Also, this would be the firefighter pack. And then there are the police force. This one here is the construction crew. And then lots of different playing card sets. They had the Looney Tunes, which was fun. Scooby Doo. They also had the Peanuts characters. So lots of retro packs of cards out at the moment. And they had the Harry Potter pack, which is always super popular, and Bob Ross. Then for the $3 and up section, they had a bunch of new posters out, and our stores just started to put in these holders for the posters. The posters are $5, and they also have poster clips that you can get in a frame so you can put them together to make them easier to hang. They have lots of different, like soccer, they have Spider-Man, of course, they have Star Wars, and lots of really popular posters out right now, like Hello Kitty. Then there's the bunch of balloons for $3. They come in a couple different colors. Those are the easy to fill water balloons. You get 35 in the pack. They have lots of different sketchbooks out at the moment, and the corner office jot watercolor paper. There's 24 sheets for $3, which is a great buy. These are bubble flower blowing machines. These are so cute. So they're like a large flower, has an on-off button over at the side. You fill the pot up with the bubble material, and then the flowers have the center with all the little fan and the bubbles, so it will blow bubbles out of the top. I thought that was really cute. So they have 3 different flowers you could choose from. Also, I found the novelty bubble machine that looks like a large cupcake, and they have those in the pink and in the blue. And those flowered um, bubble machines, they also sell at Target, just an FYI. So then we've got these extra large kites that they're selling at the moment. These are a Splash Fun foam pumper. So it shoots the water out so fast it actually creates like a foam. This is a silent ball. It's basically a large foam basketball for little kids. It's pretty big though. I was surprised how big it was. Definitely great for like little hands in those small child size basketball hoops. They have the bubble blowing lawnmower, which is always fun. A bunch of the H2Go Summer Blast swim tubes. They have one that looks like a unicorn. It's 48 inches across, and they have the water hammock, which is always nice. Then I found some of these automatic H2O blasters. They have one that looks sort of like a dragon and one that looks like a shark. And then we've got some yard games. There's the light up beanbag toss, sort of like a cornhole game. There's the LED ladder set. Those are all $5 each. They have these great candles. This one's passion fruit and lemonade, the coconut coast, and the pineapple pear. And those all have 3 wicks. They're a 14-ounce candle and they smell absolutely amazing. They had more of those little characters that if you squeeze their belly, their ears pop up. But these are bunnies and their ears are little carrots for Easter time. I thought those were so cute. I always get a kick out of the other ones. So when I saw the Easter ones, I was thrilled. They have them in a couple different colors. And you can see here how it works. You squeeze the belly and they pretty much play peekaboo with their ears in the carrots. I thought those were cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite find this week from the Dollar Tree? And don't forget you could follow us, Rebecca Stew and the crew, across all social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.